कुछ ग्रोथ ही हो रही होगी लाइफ में, या आप थोड़े बड़े मुकाम पे पहुंच रहे होंगे जहाँ पे लोग आपके बारे में बातें करना शुरू कर देते हैं. So I just take it in as a compliment itself. The only fact that people are talking about you, and
Yeah,
not in a bad manner, I think it's a compliment.
definitely.
Matlab, you can try and surprise the director, but eventually, if the director and the writer they are not convinced about what you've done, they're not going to keep it in the film. The fact is that we, clicked as co-stars or colleagues even before we became friends or
Yeah.
clicked as friends. Um, so that relation is like the topmost for us.
Hi everyone, I'm Rashita. Welcome to peepingmoon.com. And today we have with us a very special guest from Team Tesh, welcoming Pulkit Samrat. Hi Pulkit, or as may I call you, Sunny. How are you?
Hi, how are you doing? Thank you so much for having me.
You're welcome. So Pulkit, firstly tell me, I watched the and you have this really nice angry young man vibe going on, and even the posters have it. So how, when was it that it prompted you to say yes to the film?
I think first of all, the fact that Bijoy Nambiar, he has been on my bucket list since the very beginning.
Okay.
So that was a big factor for me and a big deal for me that Bijoy wanted to cast me
Yeah.
in Tesh, and he had belief in me and trust in me that I'll be able to pull off a Sunny in his film. And I always wanted to be a part of Bijoy's world. So when I heard the script and we had a little chat, this was like an opportunity of a lifetime for me.
Yeah.
One more dream coming true. So I just thought myself to be blessed, and I did not be stupid and let the opportunity go. I just grabbed it with both my hands, and so it was great fun coming on board, and from there on.
Okay. And the way the trailer begins with your still and then your dialogues, and there's an impact that you leave. So, what was your approach like to play the role? Of course, we have to see the film also now, but the trailer is also pretty impactful.
Yeah, thank you so much. Bijoy will be very happy to know that the trailer has been impactful
Yeah.
because the response has been really great. And, the trailer is basically the essence of what your film is going to be to give people that glimpse without really giving much spoilers. But it was very exciting for me to play this role because, as you said, the only fact that, I haven't played such kind of a character earlier in my career so far. I haven't been a part of a thriller, and I haven't been a part of a revenge thriller. And on top of that, it is a thriller by Bijoy Nambiar. And I really love this genre, and I really love Bijoy. So I really just jumped on it with all my trust and faith in Bijoy. And to be really frank, where my work was concerned, I thought it is going to be very difficult, but it was made very easy by Bijoy and team because the writers and Bijoy in the writing itself there was so much of detailing. Like normally, like there are all the characters are three-dimensional. They're very human. He's kept the grays alive in the characters. So that is something that really helped me make it a very easy process for me to get under the skin of Sunny. And so that jugalbandi between me and Joy, we are breaking our heads over small things कि tattoo क्या होना चाहिए और होना चाहिए कि नहीं होना चाहिए. Then what kind of hair should we keep? And what do you think he likes the most to eat, or what makes him the happiest, what makes him the sad, what do you think would be the most embarrassing situation in his life? These kind of backstories we are figuring out. So the process has been very enriching as well for me personally because I learned a lot all through the filming, and also very exciting and something new that I've never tried before.
Okay. And as you mentioned, working with Bijoy, how is it? Like, was there a particular thing that you guys used to, did you follow his vision completely, or was there some parts that you followed on your own?
मतलब ऑन माई ओन तो कभी भी किसी भी कैरेक्टर के साथ कोई भी आर्टिस्ट नहीं करता है. या करते हैं, it's always a collaborative work. uh, मतलब you can try and surprise the director, but eventually if the director and the writer they are not convinced about what you've done, they're not going to keep it in the film, right? So you have to surrender to the director's vision. And more than I was here with more than surrender. I had full faith in him. And the faith that he had in me was a bigger deal for me. And I didn't want to break that faith. So I worked really hard to make sure that whatever Bijoy's vision is, what can I add on to it personally, as with my own little bunch of talents, and will I be able to deliver the way Bijoy has visualized. Luckily, we were both on the same page, and from there on, it was a very smooth journey. It was only about creative discussions. जैसा मैंने कहा, ये कैरेक्टरिस्टिक रखते हैं, ये कैरेक्टरिस्टिक थोड़ा ज्यादा हाईलाइट करते हैं, या ये सीन में ये कर रहा है वो, इसका मतलब we can connect this kind of a behavior in the earlier scene also. So those kind of things, then just because writing में इतना कुछ detailing में था, it was easy to play around with the character.
Okay. And what about the action scenes? Because there are so many scenes that are so power packed to even watch. How was it doing it?
So there are car chases, and there are bike chases, um, and I haven't done much of an action kind of a thing before, so it was really overwhelming for me to be sure that everybody is safe, and if I'm punching somebody, I'm punching correctly and in a very safe manner. And all of us did mistakes as well. All of us got hurt at the wrong places as well, unfortunately, little bit. But all in all, it was a nice and safe environment. It required a lot of technical rehearsals, um, and a lot of pre-planning, because the action in Tesh is not very larger than life action. It's very stylish, very edgy, but at the same time, it is very intimate and very close combat. Okay, so it's more like a brawl that you would see, how you would see a common man trying to take revenge and enrage. So, it had to be that natural and that intimate in the way it is being shot and the way we are performing as well. So the action team actually really made sure that none of us get hurt, and we are all. So we just knew, yeah, we are in the same fans. So let's just surrender and just have fun with the action.
Okay, yeah. And what about working with Kriti? Because I spoke to her last week, and she said that when Pulkit and I work together, we work as any other co-stars. The personal relation, of course, doesn't come in between at work. So, of course, I know that she told even from your side it's the same. But is it a conscious decision or it just comes naturally?
नहीं यार, conscious decision तो नहीं है, but the fact is that we, clicked as co-stars or colleagues even before we became friends or
Yeah.
clicked as friends. Um, so that relation is like the topmost for us. And there is a very natural segregation and separation between our personal life and professional life, in the sense that when I'm on set with her, um, she means to me as much as any other co-star on the set. Okay. And when we're offset, then she means the world to me. Then my entire focus is on her. But when we're working, we're just working. Like इतना मतलब हम इतना कभी thought भी नहीं डाला इस चीज पे. Seriously, maybe that's the reason it's so easy for us,
Yeah.
because we've never really given it a thought कि यार हम personal कैसे manage करेंगे और professional कैसे manage करेंगे. Because I respect her body of work. I'm really proud of the work that she's doing,
Yeah.
and the growth that she's had over the years. Um, so yeah, that's the first regard that I hold for her in my heart, and then comes all the friendships and love and all those,
Of
you
course.
know, rosy
Okay.
things.
Okay. And what about working in an ensemble cast? Because there are several people even today that, are a little hesitant towards joining a multi-starrer. How was it for you?
Like, like
Like there are actors who would not want to,
which actors?
sorry,
Which actors?
Without naming anyone, of course, but there are people, of course, who are, as I spoke to Kriti also, she said that she had this fear in the beginning, but of course, not anytime after that. So how was it for you?
Yeah, maybe also it is a lot. There's a lot of perception about it, and there's a lot of misconception about it. Having been a part of an ensemble like Fukre at the beginning of my career, and a solo film like Bittu Boss in the beginning of my career. In fact, that was my launch, my debut. So I experienced both kind of work environment right early on in my career.
Yeah.
So that really helped me understand that there is no difference. There is really no difference. As long as you are part of a good team, you are part of a good film, and you are integral to the story, and you get to play a lot, with your character. आपको मजा आ रहा है वहाँ काम करने में. It
Mhm.
really doesn't matter. It would be very very stupid of me if I say no to playing Honey's character in Fukre कि यार नहीं ये तो ensemble है. And imagine what I would be losing then.
Yeah. Okay. So what about the web space? Of course, when Tesh was announced, there was this huge buzz around it, being a multi-starrer and a director like Bijoy. And now it's releasing on web, which is completely considered as the new ball game today. So how was your reaction like when you got to know?
Yeah, but the new ball is the biggest ball game today.
Yeah.
Because with the theaters shut, unfortunately, because of the safety hazards, we are unable to release our films on the bigger screen. That is true. But on the other hand, we are thankful that there are platforms like Z5 Premium coming on board, and uh, taking on joining hands with the makers to make sure that good content is still being it still reaches to the audience. And in that regard, I feel I just try to look at the silver lining, in the sense that you know Dash will be watched by people in 109 different countries. Imagine the exposure. It's many fold more than what it would have been during a theatrical release. Theater का अपना एक adrenaline rush है, अपना एक मजा है. But यहाँ पे this is what is good about me कि I'm excited about the fact that 109 different countries में लोग मेरी picture देखेंगे, मेरा काम देखेंगे. I'm receiving messages and feedbacks and appreciation and love from so many different countries that I've never received from before. Um, वो literally they type their messages in their own language, and I have to copy them and paste them to Google Translator and then figure out कि अच्छा तारीफ करी है, ये बोला है. So it's a very interesting experience for us also. I'm sure this is happening to the entire cast.
Okay. And how was Fukre 3 prep going? Because recently I saw a post of Richa and fans were so excited about it.
Yeah, so Fukre 3 prep is going full on. We are done with the narration. We are done with, we'll just start the readings very soon, workshops very soon. And very, very soon we'll be on floor to start filming Fukre 3. So the entire team is very excited. We are all impatiently waiting to be back on the floor.
Okay. And lastly, Pulkit, tell me, there are these reports of Kriti's and your wedding, which of course you have refuted and you have spoken about it. But tell me something, when such reports and rumors are there in the public's eye, does it affect you like work-wise before, because your personal life is being talked about?
नहीं मतलब अगर रूमर्स आ रहे हैं तो मतलब लोग आपके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं तो ठीक है. कुछ कुछ ग्रोथ ही हो रही होगी लाइफ में, या आप थोड़े बड़े मुकाम पे पहुंच रहे होंगे जहाँ पे लोग आपके बारे में बातें करना शुरू कर देते हैं. So I just take it in as a compliment itself. The only fact that people are talking about you, and not in a bad manner, I think it's a compliment. So I'm okay with that. It doesn't really matter. जिस दिन करनी होगी उस दिन हम सीना ठोक के बोलेंगे कि हाँ हम कर रहे हैं. पर अभी तो डेफिनेटली नहीं कर रहे. अभी काम पे ध्यान देने का टाइम है, एंड आई एम रियली glad that life is throwing great opportunities at both of us personally and professionally as well. So it's just amazing.
Okay. Okay, thank you so much, Pulkit, for chatting with me. It was great talking to you.
Thank you so much. Wonderful talking to you, and stay safe.
Yeah, you too.
Cheers. Bye.
All the best for Tesh.